I'm at my brother-in-law's house not too long ago, and we're getting ready to go for a ride. Now he's my riding partner. He's kind of the original Super Cub owner between the two of us. He put a deposit down. Well, we put him down at the same time, but he was getting his first, and it takes a while in this area. There's not a lot of them, so we waited and waited and waited, and he finally got the call that his Super Cub came in. And shortly after that, I went and found a used one. I picked up mine, and we've been riding together ever since. And he's kind of old school. He doesn't like to use GPS. Always likes to take the scenic route, even if it's going to take him twice as long. But it's worked out well because there's a lot of scenic areas in here, and he's taken me on some really cool rides. Uh, anyway, so we're getting ready to go for a ride, and he comes out and gives me this box. And I was like, that's pretty cool. You didn't have to get me a gift. What is it? And I open it up, and I see this bell, and it looks like a keychain. I was like, that's kind of cool. I like that. And I was thinking, it's a little big to be a keychain. I don't like to have big things in my pocket while I'm carrying my keys. But it was a very nice gesture, and I'm looking at it and wondering what I do with this. And I see there's a note, and it says, "The Legend of the Bell. Legend has it that evil spirits have been latching themselves onto motorcycles. They are little gremlins that live in your bike and enjoy causing mechanical problems and giving bad luck. According to the legend, by attaching a small bell to your motorcycle, the gremlins will get trapped in its hollow if they try to reach for your bike, and the constant ringing will drive them insane until they lose their grip and fall down, causing a pothole in the road. If you buy your own, the power works, but if you receive one as a gift from a friend or loved one, the power is twice as strong." So I thought that was really cool. So I wanted to find a place to put this on my bike, and hopefully brings me some good luck. Now, I'm not entirely superstitious, but I thought it was a great gesture, and it's kind of cool looking, and I'm going to put this on my bike and see how it holds, and we'll see if it catches any gremlins and creates potholes on the road. So stay tuned. All right, I'm looking for a spot to put this bell on, and I think this is the best option. Now, you can see that it's recessed right here, so I can't put it on the outside. It's got to go underneath. But there is a post in there that this screws into that sticks out that I can get this on, and it's not real thick. So I think this should have enough threading to bite and not come loose. So we'll see. And I'll show you once I get that done. I need a 5mm Allen wrench to get this off. Let me adjust that right to there. Yeah, I think that'll work. It doesn't look like it's really going to hit anything. If it does, it's not a big deal. Alright, tighten this down so it stays in place. Okay, looks good. Now let's see if we can catch some gremlins.